Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, dear students, in first part, we understood what happened when Nikki had dug into the garden whole day. Okay, so after that, his father came out to the garden to look for him. Okay, he saw Nikki and asked, "What are you doing, Nikki?" Nikki's father saw the deep hole that he had dug. Okay, up to here we understood. Then what happened? Nikki, that's great. I can plant a mango tree just there in the hole. So Nikki was digging for what? Yes, a pair of skates. So Nikki wants Nikki wants a pair of skates, and he had dug, but he did not find a pair of skates. And after digging, there was a big hole in the ground. Okay, so his father his father became happy to see the deep hole into the ground, and he think about the hole that he thought that I can plant a mango tree. Okay, so he said to Nikki, "That's great." Means, Nikki, you are a great. You dug a deep hole into the ground. I can plant a mango tree there, okay? In the hole. I was bored. Then what happened? Nikki replied, "I was bored, Papa." Why he was bored? Because holidays had started. "I was bored, Papa," said Nikki. "I wanted to do something." Means, he did not want to tell him about the dream. Okay, he did not want to tell about the dream. Nikki did not want to tell about the dream. Why? Because if he would told his father, then his father would make fun him. Okay, therefore he did not tell, and he told his father that I wanted to do something because I was getting bored. Okay, therefore I took a spade and digging into the ground, into the garden. Next, the jasmine tree. Okay, so after listening, his father became happy, and he told, "Very good, beta. You have done very good thing." Okay, so in this way, his father became happy. Then Nikki was thinking, "Yes, I want pair of skate. Therefore, I was digging, but I did not get a pair of skate. No problem." Okay, this time he was happy. Why? He was thinking that maybe the holiday won't be so boring after all. Okay, now my holidays will not be bore. Why? Because I will help my father planting mango tree. Okay, he thought happily. Now I can help Papa plant the mango seed. Seed means, yes, beej. Okay, and look after means परवरिश करना, देखभाल करना. Okay, that's will be fun, and ये बहुत ही मज़े की बात होगी. Okay, so in this way, at the last moment, Nikki was happy. Why? Because he was thinking that the holiday will not be boring, and I will help Papa to plant seeds of mango tree. Okay, and I look after it, and it will be fun. Okay, so in this way we understood that in holiday students want to do something new. Okay, so dear students, we have to do something new in our holidays. Okay, we should not do wasteless thing. Okay, we have to do useful things. Okay, got it? So in this way we understood that Nikki was boring, but he want a pair of skates. So therefore he asked his mother, "Will you buy me a pair of skates?" But then at that night he had dream, and in dream he heard someone is saying that dig into the garden, into the corner of the garden next to the jasmine tree. He took a spade and started digging. Okay, started digging, but when he was digging, he did not get a pair of skates. So what did he find? He found stones, plates, rusted nails, and old flower pot. Okay. Just after his father came into the garden and became very happy to see after seeing a deep hole into the garden. Why he was Nicky's father was becoming happy? Because he wanted to plant a mango tree. Okay, so he said, Nicky, dad, you are a great. Okay, you have you have done good work. Okay, so beta, we will plant a mango tree in this. So here Nicky did not want to tell about his dream. Why? Because if he would tell about his dream, his father maybe his father would be make fun of him. Okay, therefore he was not telling. Okay, he told father that I was bored, papa, therefore I want to do something, and I took spade and digging into the ground and made deep hole. Okay, so I will help you, papa, to plant mango tree and look after it. Okay, this time Nicky was happy, but before coming of his father, he was not happy because he hopeless and he did not find a pair of skate into the hole. But after coming of his father, he became happy because he was ready to plant a mango tree. Got it? And he was thinking that the holidays will not be bore and that will be fun. Got it? So here is question. Yes. What did his father want to do? What did his father mean? What did Nicky's father want to do? Nicky's father want to plant a mango tree. Very good. And how did he feel after digging all day and why? Yes, we understood that Nicky was tired and very sad. Okay, because he want a pair of skates, but after digging whole day, he did not find a pair of skates. He found useless thing. Okay, got it? Hope you understood. Was Nicky happy at the end of the day? Yes, was Nicky happy at the end of the day? Yes, I hope most of students will be answering. Yes, Nicky was happy at the end of the day because he was thinking that planting tree will be make fun. Okay, and his holiday his holiday will not be bore. Got it? Very good. Hope you would understood. What did Nicky expect to get? What did Nicky expect to get after digging? Yes, Nicky expected to get a pair of skates, but he did not get. Okay, hope you understood this lesson. So dear students, in next video we will solve exercises. Okay, up to when you have to learn by heart meanings and difficult words. Okay, which I will send you later. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.